1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. Yo! We are playing the game of Rhythm Song Scribe, beginner level 1. We've got a cool jam track going on that's going to help us feel the pulse of our song. Let's review really quick. We're using quarter notes, half notes, and whole note hold it's to jot down, to transcribe, as it were. Let's review. 1, 2, quarter note. Go! Quarter, 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 quarter. That was 4 quarter notes. Let's try some half notes, see what they sound like. Ready? Here we go. Half note, half note, half note, half note. Okay, and last but not least, let's hear what a whole note, hold it, sounds like. Ready? Here we go. Whole note, hold it, whole note, hold it. Cool. So remember, within a measure, within these 2 lines, that space in between, you can only fit 1 whole note in here, right? So you got to be careful of where you place that whole note, where you place all of these notes. A half note gets 2 beats. A measure gets 4 beats. So you can only fit a half note and a half note in there. Just 2. Can't fit any more half notes in. It doesn't fit, right? Quarter notes get 4 beats. You can fit 4 quarter notes within a measure. So just be mindful of that. For now, just try to jot down as best as you can, and then you'll see me fill it in, and you'll be like, ah, dig it. Cool, that's how they fit. All right, you guys ready? I'm going to strum and speak these rhythms, and you're going to jot them down. We're going to start with round 1. I'm going to play each round 3 times, so you'll have ample opportunity to write things down, okay? 1, 2, round 1. Quarter, quarter, half note. Okay. Let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. Last time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, quarter, half note. All right, we're gonna write it down together. Quarter, quarter, half note. Let's see what that looks like. Quarter, quarter, half. Oh, tasty. Hopefully yours looks a little something like mine. We're gonna keep on going. You ready? Round number 2. 1, 2, check it out now. Quarter, 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 whole note, hold it. Nice. I'll let you jot it down. I'm gonna give it to you again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, 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 whole note, hold it. Nice. Play it one more time. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, 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 whole note, hold it. All right, let's see what that looks like. There was a lot of quarter notes there, right? Quarter, 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 whole note, hold it. See how that whole note, hold it? It has to have its own measure because it's so big, right? You can't fit it in this one. Don't fit. You can only fit 4 quarter notes in a measure. Them's the rules of music. And so we continue to round 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note, whole note, hold it. Ready? 1, 2, check it out again. Half note, half to you one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, whole note, hold it. All right, let's jot that one down. So again, might not be tricky figuring out what the notes are, but figuring out where they fit in the measure is kind of the tricky part, right? We have our half note, a half note, and a whole note, hold it again. So remember, you can only fit 2 half notes in a measure. That counts for 2 beats. That counts for 2 beats. You can only fit 4 in that space, right? These quarter notes, they count for 1 beat, so you can fit 4 of them in a space. All right, let's keep on going. We've got round 4. This one is a tricky one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, half note, whole note, hold it. All right, I'm gonna give it to you again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, half note, whole note, hold it. Write it down. Be like, I got a quarter. All right, you ready? I'll do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter, half note, whole note, hold it. All right, you ready to check what that one looks like? So let's actually let you try it out. See if we remember it. See what you have written down. See if it lines up. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Maybe? We'll see. Let's try it out. We got quarter, half note, whole note, hold it. Nice. Well, good job, guys. That was only level 1. Excellent work. Let's try level 2. I'll see you there.